There are 7 billion people on Earth. 5.1 billion own a cell phone, and 4.2 billion own a toothbrush. 64% of mobile phone time is spent on apps. Businesses need mobile apps. Smartphone usage is increasing every day. Mobile marketing can play an important role in increasing the profitability of your restaurant. Mobile iPhone and Android apps are key components in the new world of mobile marketing for restaurants. We're a team of highly focused mobile marketing experts working specifically with restaurants to increase sales. It's a fact. The mobile revolution is changing how you find new customers and communicate with existing customers. The days of advertising in phone books, coupon books, or with flyers are soon gone. Consumers use their smartphones and tablets to research and make restaurant choices every day. Ever notice how many people are on their mobile smartphones? Having your own iPhone and Android apps allows you to reach your customers where they spend time, on their smartphones. Don't be left behind in the new mobile economy. Your restaurant needs to embrace mobile apps for long-term success. Let me ask you a question. What is your mobile marketing strategy? A successful marketing apps strategy for your restaurant should include support for Android, iPhone, and iPad devices, a loyalty coupon system, restaurant menu and specials, direct-to-customer push messages, and possibly a mobile food ordering system. Our mobile marketing solutions can help your restaurant not only find new customers, but fill open tables during slow periods using your existing client base. If your restaurant is not using mobile marketing, we can help. We understand the unique challenges facing restaurants, both from the economy and competition. With our iPhone and Android mobile app marketing solutions, you can effectively target the exact people who are searching for a restaurant right now in your area. Our goal is to be your partner and help you grow your customer base and improve profitability through mobile, iPhone, and Android apps. Thank you for watching. We look forward to getting your business found on smartphones everywhere.